Welcome back to another scalping lesson. Soil here, and today I want to teach you an incredible 1 minute scalping strategy with magical indicators on TradingView. This is the best and most profitable scalping strategy that is very easy with high winning rate. To execute this strategy successfully and profitably, you need to pay attention to all the points that I'm going to explain throughout this video. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any important point. Alright, as I said, this is a 1 minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 1 minute. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but there is no limitation on this, and you can use this strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's crypto, forex, or stocks. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are small in terms of price movements. So we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this scalping strategy, we have three indicators that we must add to our chart. For adding indicators, here we click on indicators and we simply search the name. The first one that we want to add is directional sentiment line, this one, which is written by someone named Steves. This is a directional indicator, as the name implies, and it's built based on simple moving averages with length of 150. This ribbon or band that changes color between red and green is actually 4 moving averages based on open, high, low, and close for each of these lines that you can see. When this ribbon or band is green, which is when the price enters into it or goes above that, it shows that the market is in an uptrend. And when it's red, which is actually when the price enters into it or goes below it, it shows the market is in a downtrend. We have also two outer bands, which are generally blue when the price is between them, but it became yellow when the price goes beyond them, whether above the upper band or below the lower band. And you can see that the outer band became yellow at these parts. These outer bands are simple moving average of highest high and lowest low in the given period, and they act as a moving target, and we can use them for take profit orders. I'll explain later about this. The next indicator that we want to add is CCI, Commodity Channel Index, this one, and we must change its settings. Here for the length we set it at 50, and the last indicator that we want to add is MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and for MACD also we must change its settings. Here for the fast length we set it at 34, and for the slow length we set it at 144. In this strategy we only need histogram, so here in the style tab we uncheck MACD line and signal line. Everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this 1 minute scalping strategy. Alright, the way that we trade based on this strategy is very easy, and you just need to be focused. When CCI line goes above plus 100 and at the same time MACD histogram is green and the price is above the ribbon, actually a candle is closed above the ribbon, this gives us the signal to enter a long position. So we can enter a long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed just below the ribbon, and for the profit target we can take the profit in 3 ways. The safest one is to set it in advance at a level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 1.5, and another way is to take the profit when the price reaches to the outer band, which is not applicable here because the price is already above the outer band and the outer band is stuck to the ribbon, as you can see. In other examples I show you how it is. And the third way is through price action analysis, when you see signs of weakening in the price movement. By this method you can get the most out of your position, but it needs more experience with price action analysis and could be risky for beginners. Moving on the charts, not any signal around here, and we got another long position signal here where CCI is above plus 100, MACD histogram is green, and the price is above the band, so we can enter a long position here at this point as the new candle is opened. Similarly, the stop loss below the band and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, not any signal here, and we got another long position signal here where the CCI went above plus 100, MACD histogram is green, and the price is above the band, so we can enter another long position here at this point. Moving on the chart, Here we got a short position signal where CCI went below -100, MACD histogram is red, and we got a candle closed below the ribbon. So in practice, we would enter a short position here at this point, and we would set the stop loss here above the band. But this position would end up with loss, as you can see. And you must expect losing trades because like any other trading strategy, this strategy doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals. And the important point is that you must manage your risk properly, which at the end of this video, I will explain risk management. So make sure you watch this video until the end. After this false signal, we got another short position signal here where CCI went below -100, MACD histogram is red, and we got a candle closed below the ribbon. So we can enter a short position here at this point where a new candle is opened. The stop loss can be placed above the ribbon and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Or another way for taking the profit, because the price is still above the outer band, you can use the band as your target and take your profit when the price reaches to this band. Moving on the charts, these long position signals are not confirmed because the price is below the ribbon. And finally, here this long position signal is a confirmed signal where the price is above the ribbon. So we can enter a long position here at this point. And another long position signal here, which is a confirmed signal, providing us another opportunity for opening a long position. And another confirmed bullish signal here, so we can enter another long position here at this point. Moving on the charts, no signal around here, and we got another confirmed bullish signal here at this point, so we can enter another long position here. Please pay attention that in cases that the entry price is far from the ribbon, like this case as you can see, you can set the stop loss higher. For example, in this case, below the low of this red candle would be a good place for placing our stop loss. Moving on the charts, no more bullish signal around here. At this point, CCI went below -100, MACD histogram is red, but the price is above the band, so we don't take any action here. As we move on the chart, we don't have any signal around here. And you can see that in times that the market is flat and not trending, this strategy is acting very well. And for these two cases where CCI went above +100 and MACD histogram is green, the price is not above the ribbon. And finally here, where this tightening consolidation period is broken, we got a confirmed bullish signal, providing us another opportunity for opening a long position. This strategy has very high win rate in practice, but it doesn't mean that it provides 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game just like any other trading strategy, and you need to manage your risk properly. This is a scalping strategy and you're going to open many positions in a single day, and if you don't manage your risk properly, you will ruin your trading account in a very short period of time. For active trading strategies like the scalping strategy that I explained in this video, there is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without this risk management strategy, you cannot successfully and profitably execute the strategy that I explained in this video. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, you need to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.